construction of triangle using RHS property. Now RHS means right angled hypotenuse side. You have understood in the congruency of a triangle. Now that means one angle is of right angle. Okay, now exercise 10.5 question number 1. Construct the right angle triangle PQR where measurement of angle Q is 90 degree, QR is 8 centimeter and PR is of 10 centimeter. Now I will tell you very important point before we start. Whenever this kind of right angle triangle is given to you, the biggest side in both sides is hypotenuse. So your PR is your hypotenuse and this QR is the side. Now RHS, right? So before we start, we will draw a rough sketch. Rough sketch I will draw, and I will draw exactly 90-degree angle so that you will remember how what is hypotenuse and what is this. Okay, now as you can see here, I have drawn a right angle triangle. Now measure of angle Q. So this is my Q, which is of 90 degree. PR is an hypotenuse, so P is given here, R is given here. This is 10 centimeter and QR is 8 centimeter. Now you will think, teacher, how will we draw this? Very easy. I will show you how. Before we start, I will let you know that this Q, which is of 90 degree, we will not use protractor in this. We will not use it. We will do it with the help of compass. Okay, so we'll start drawing it first. See, first of all, I have to draw QR is of 8 centimeter. So this is my 0 and 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. So this is my 8 centimeter and I will join this line. But before I will join this line, I want to tell you that I will draw this line segment little bit more than the QR. So, sorry. You have to be very careful and very precise, children, while drawing this line segment and everything, because if one mistake can ruin your whole construction. Okay, now you can see this is my R, this is my Q. You will think, teacher, why did you extend the line segment little bit this side? I will let you know why. See, I have to construct 90-degree angle. Okay, I have to construct the 90-degree angle with the help of compass. So how will I draw it? You have studied in the class 6 the construction of 90-degree angle. You have remember that if I want to see how I draw this construction, I will take a Q as a center and radius is not known, and I will make a 2 arc on the both side. So these are my arc. Okay, I will join, just write some dot. I will not mention any name to this point. Okay, now from this point, okay, to this point I will take a measurement. Okay, from this to this point I will take a measurement and I will draw an arc above the Q. Okay, similarly from this point, same measurement I will take and draw the arc above Q. Okay, So now I got these two arc intersects at this point, okay, and that point is my point P, we can say, not P, but just a point. Don't say it is P, it is P. It is just a point, and now I will join these 2 points and this angle is become 90-degree angle. This is the construction which you have studied in the class 6. Now, little bit nicer. That is 90-degree. Okay. Now, this QR is 8 centimeter. You got it. Okay. Now, PR is of 10 centimeter. So, from R, you have to take the measurement of 10 centimeter on the ruler. Okay, this is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now, from R, you have drawn, okay, let me just draw this line little bit, angular ray little bit more, because your line 10 centimeter is intersecting above. So, this is your 10 centimeter, children. Take R as a center and intersect this line at this point on this angular ray. So, this point will become your P. Okay. You don't need to worry about this measurement as it is not given or not mentioned in the construction. Now, join P and R. Okay. So, this is of 10 centimeter. So, understood? This is QR is of 8 centimeter. Then you have to draw an arc on the QR, extended line of QR, and then with the help of these two arc you can take a 90-degree angle on above the Q, point Q, and that is your 90-degree, and your triangle PQR is required triangle. I will show you the steps of construction then.